Hello everybody. I wanted to go through how I created labels, um, the Avery address labels. I customized them using My Digital Studios. So let's go. So I started off in MDS with a punch that is 3 inches by 8.5. I then decorated it with a label and an image, and I could even put text here. Once I have my image customized the way that I want, that I'm happy with, I go ahead and I can export that. So I'm going to go up here to Share Project, Export to JPEG. I'm going to select my image. I want to make sure that it's large, and I want to have the highest quality. Okay, it's now exporting. There we go. Next thing I need to do is I need to use one of my photo finishing software, which I use iPhoto since I'm on a Mac. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crop the image. So let me go ahead and import it. So here's my image, and you can see right now the way that it's exported is that it has this white background that it's on. So let's get rid of that. I'm going to edit and crop. Oh, grab this corner. There's one side and the other. Okay. So now that I've cropped it, you see I'm just left with the image that I want, that's 3 by 8.5. I'm also going to rotate it because the labels, when they print in landscape. There we go. So now I have the image all ready to be imported into a label. What I use is the Avery Design Pro. This is a free download that you can get from Avery's website, which is www.avery.com templates. And I'm going to start a new design. So this is what the screen looks like when you bring it up. And of course I'm doing mailing labels. And what I want to choose is, here it gives you all the different labels. Let's see. Actually, I want to go ahead with the default, which is 5160, the default label, which is just your standard address labels. So they give you several designs to choose from. Of course, I want to make up my own design. So I'm going to use blank, which is here at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now I have one of the standard labels. And up here you'll see it says all same is turned to off. If I wanted my sheet of labels, all 30 of them, to be the same image, I could change this to all same on, and it grays out everything except for the first one. All I need to do is to import the label once, and the whole sheet will be the same label when I print it. If I don't want to do that, and let's say I want to print several different types of labels, I can change this to all same off. Then it'll allow me to put a different image into each square. So what I'll have to do is import my background into each square. So let's do that. So I have the first top left label highlighted right now. All I need to do is go to Gallery, and I could browse, but in this case I'm going to go to iPhoto, and in last import, there I have my image. I'm going to select that and insert, close. So you see now I have my label, perfectly done. If I want to do another label, a different image, all I have to do is go to the next open one and follow the same procedure. Go to Gallery. I'm going to go to iPhoto, and this time I have several labels that I've already done. So I'm going to choose labels, and let's select a different image. I'll select my Valentine's Day and insert, and now close. So I've now imported 2 images, and if I go back to the product preview, you can see both of them. So my upper top left would be the image of the cupcake. The center one would print this label, which is the bird. And I could continue that way for all 30 and make them all custom. So all I have to do now is print. So I would just go up to File and Print. If I sent this to the printer right now, I would get 2 designer labels printed on my Avery label sheet. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks.